Hey guys, I'm Bacteria Boy and I'm here to help you learn how to brew kombucha from start to finish within 3 minutes. Let's go! Ingredients that you need are a starter kombucha culture from a previous batch, fermentation container of 1 gallon, tea that's either pre-brewed or brew now, 12 cups of water, 1 cup of white sugar, something to clean your area, something to sanitize your area. Do not use bleach on your hands or in the container because it will kill the cultures. White distilled vinegar is completely fine. It helps the culture, doesn't hurt it. Step 1, clean your area. Step 2, sanitize your area and container. Step 3, brew tea, add sugar, and let it cool in your container. Brew 1 gallon tea ratio for kombucha food. If you're brewing black tea, brew it hot at 175 degrees, or if you're doing cold brew, do 12 to 16 hours of cold brew. For hot green tea, do 5 minutes at 135 degrees Fahrenheit, or for cold brew, do 6 to 12 hours of cold brew. Step 4, once you've made your tea, dissolve your sugar in the tea, and then add your culture once your tea has cooled down to 80 degrees. Kombucha starts to die above 100 degrees Fahrenheit or below freezing, so make sure to avoid those temperatures when you're brewing your kombucha. Step 5, add 2 cups of starter and 1 optional pellicle or SCOBY culture. I don't add the pellicle because I like aerating my brews and allowing the acetic acid bacteria to get some air. However, if you want to add it for the safety and for first time, completely, that's fine. Step 6, cover your container with a clean coffee filter, handkerchief, or nylon fabric in order to allow your brew to aerate. If you cover it with cheesecloth or paper towel or other porous fabric, that will let fruit flies in and other particles inside your brew which can contaminate it. Step 7, place kombucha in a dark, undisturbed, aerated environment, such as a closet or a cabinet. Leave your brew alone for 1 to 2 weeks at 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This is essential. It needs the time to grow. When I first started brewing kombucha, I was like checking it every day, stroking it, and make sure you're okay, my little baby. But really, like, they do best when you just leave them alone. They're like cats. It's okay to move your SCOBY while the culture is brewing. As part of the culture, it's not going to harm it if it falls or moves around or gets disturbed. On day 7, remove some kombucha with a straw in order to taste it and make sure that you like the flavor. Once you're ready, you can do one of 2 things. You can drink your kombucha like that, or you can do a second fermentation in order to increase the carbonation. Step 8, 2F. In a 16-ounce bottle, add your sugar source, such as fresh fruit, juice, pasteurized honey, or any other sugar source that you could want to use in order to flavor your kombucha. In my case, I'm using honey, and I just kind of know how much to put, so I'm going to do that. Top off the rest of your bottle with 14 to 15 ounces of kombucha and seal tightly. Always make sure to sanitize your container. Step 9. Once you're happy with the way your kombucha tastes, put it inside the refrigerator to store it, or add preservatives if you want to not refrigerate it. If you want to add preservatives, try to go natural. If you want to take breaks between brewing kombucha, very simple. Just don't touch your kombucha. It'll brew on its own and it'll continue to survive. It can survive for many months after it's finished brewing. So don't worry if you don't feel like brewing it the next day or something like that. And when you want to pick back up brewing, all you gotta do is take your super vinegary culture and add it as your new starter. And that's how you keep brewing. That's it. That's all you need to brew good kombucha. If you like this video, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if there's any kind of videos you want me to talk about or do. I love kombucha, I love kombucha microbiology, I love chemistry, and I love learning about it and teaching it to other people. So let me know what you guys want to see and I'll be happy to bring it to you guys. Grow like a culture. That's it. Let's try this, bro.